Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about how to install your TikTok pixel in Shopify. And let's get started. First of all, you have to go here in apps to install a Pixelfy, the Pixelfy app. And we have to go here, all recommend apps, and then click on Shopify App Store. And let's see, okay. After that, let's look for Pixelfy multi Facebook pixels and let's install it. Okay, could take 2 minutes if it's your first time. Sorry. Okay. After that, this is the welcome page. The welcome page says uh, why use Pixelfy. It has multiple pixel support, service side tracking, and targeted tracking. Okay, next. Click on next. And what is this button? It says saying enable app embed. Uh, it says enable app embedding allows Pixelfy to automatically insert tracking code on all your store pages without modifying your theme code. Okay, in this case, uh, I am going to the next page after save your after say let's see, okay. In this case, I am going to the next page after saving your changes of our page or your page. Okay, next. And after that, we are going to click on select here in TikTok pixel and events API select. And I already create one, so I am going to delete it and create a new one. Okay, your pixel name could be whatever you want. In my case, it would be tienda. And the pixel ID, let's go to the TikTok and manager, business manager. And now here in our TikTok ads manager, we have to go here in tools, and then events. Okay, exit. Okay, now we have to click on connect data source, click on web, next, skipped, and then manual setup, and then TikTok pixel plus event API. This is the recommend option, and then we have to paste the name we put on our Shopify pixel name before. It says tienda. Okay, in this case, this name already exists in our data sources, but tienda does. In this case, shop for my case, for example, create. And after create, click on next, 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 next. Okay, next, we keep it going, and then here we have our pixel ID, and then copy this, and then paste it, and enable this option. Says conversion API, and then we are going to generate our access token. Generate access token, then copy and paste it, and save it. And now we already have our pixel. Okay, let's change this pixel name. Okay, shop in our case, update pixel. And then now we already create our TikTok pixel. Okay, in this case, click on next. And now this is the pricing plan options that we have: essential plan and pro plan. For me, the pro plan is better because uh, as as you know, guys, well, as you can see, everything in a session plan, the pro plan already has. Um, and in this case, it's better. It's $2 more per month, so um, it could be better in this case. And unlimited Snapchat pixels and Pinterest and Tabula pixel and a lot of efforts. You can appreciate them in the future. Okay, and I will click on get started now for me. Okay, let's verify that I'm not a robot. Okay, and after that, you will have 7 days free trial in case you want to cancel in the future. So approve it, and then now we already have set up our TikTok pixel in Shopify, and then we can see. Okay, let's next finish. Okay, and then we can see our pixel here in data sources in TikTok Manager. We can see our shop TikTok pixel created. And then that's it, guys. This is the whole video. I hope you like it. Please leave me your like and subscribe also. And thank you for watching, and see you next video.